2001 Chevy Blazer Extreme, 144, 107. Just recharge my AC. Got a problem. It's kind of erratic and sporadic when I'm driving. The vehicle will cut out and die or just lose power. You know? It didn't make any sense. I've been trying to figure out this problem for a little while. I'm trying to finally tracked it down. You see right there the temp gauge is at normal. It's up to operating temperature. Go out here. There's a temperature sensor wire that runs down there. It's kind of dark, can't really see it. Grab the harness. As soon as I touch the wire, it totally dies out. And you can see where the temp gauge is at now, way off. So this has been a problem. I could just drive right down the road, hit a pothole, or just the slightest bump. You can see that just temperature gauge just moved around. The temperature sensor itself I actually replaced before, thinking that that would solve this problem, but it hasn't at all. So simply this, the pigtail wiring harness, brand new one. BWD from Advanced Auto Parts. It was like $22, so got to wire this in and that'll solve the problem. But I don't know if people have the same issue out there that they can't figure out why the vehicle's running bad and missing and stuff like that, especially while you're driving it. Check your temperature sensor wire. Could just be a simple short and save a lot of hours of diagnostics. Alright, thanks for watching, and please rate and comment.